darling, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going through a step-by-step process on how you can guarantee more sales in your cake business. Grab your pen and let's get straight into it. The whole idea of this video was gotten from the Sweet Baker, but I however decided to add a little bit of explanation and illustration to the explanation. So, the Sweet Baker, thanks for the inspiration. Step number 1 to guarantee more sales in your cake business is know your numbers and be clear on your profit. Yes, before you even start or plan any sales, you need to first draw your margin profit. The simple explanation to this is in case or in a situation whereby your cake package or your specific package costs 3,000 naira on production rate and you have a margin profit of 100%, which means you have a profit of 3,000 naira upon the production of your 3,000 naira cake packages. Now combining everything together, that means that the total cost of that of which you want to sell that particular product at that particular time is 6,000 naira. Now in case you want to run any sales or any discount or any promo packages, you're going to be removing your discount from that 3,000 naira which serves as your profit. In case you want to run a 10% discount, that is you'll be running a 10% discount, that is 1,000 naira removed or deduced from the 3,000 naira which is your initial profit. That is you'll be having the last end sales for 5,000 naira, but since you already know your numbers and you're already clear on your profit, it is very easy for you to outline your sales, determine your profit, and stretch out your margin profit lines. Step 2 is in a situation whereby you want to have promo deals or you want to run discount packages. You don't want to run discount packages for your cake products or for your cake packages for just a day. The reason is because the ideology or the psychology behind running promo deals or discount packages is because you want to have more people to view your business. You want to have more people to consider your brand. You need more eyes to notice your brand and your product and your packages. So you running your discount or your promo packages for a whole day is not practically advisable. Now the advisable thing or the trick to that is run it for 7 days. Look at companies like Jumia, like Alibaba, and all other packages that are being run on promo deals or discount packages. You want to have an elastic time or a duration for you to run your packages in order to have a lot of people to come in to consider your product, to consider your brand, and to have a soft spot for your packages and cake discount offers. Step 3 in order to guarantee more sales to your cake business is creating an irresistible offer. Now the question is, what is an irresistible offer? Before I dive into what an irresistible offer is I have noticed a lot of bakers not really putting this into consideration. They don't create offers for their audiences or for their clients. The normal thing everybody just wants to do is you want to sell. But let us take note of this thing. If you create an irresistible offer, now let me define what an irresistible offer is. An irresistible offer is a kind of offer that you give, or a kind of offer or a kind of sales proposal that you give to your audience, to your clients, or to your customers that they can never ever be able to neglect. Now, here is the trick. However, I initially explained this particular trick in this video right here, but then I'm going to do the explanation again. If you want to create an irresistible offer, this is the trick and this is how I believe you can do it. Now, there's something we call the rules of third. Now, the rules of third is you creating 3 different packages in different levels. Now, to me personally, I believe you can do it in special, classic, and basic. Now, the psychology behind you having a special, classic, and basic is in the special package, it will be the highest package you are offering. Now, for example, if you want to be running a special package for your cake business, is you can have a 6 inches cake plus 5 meat pies plus this and this and this. The special package is very high. Now you have the basic package. The basic package is just a little bit of package, not really having a lot of items in it. You can have just a foil cake and 3 cupcakes. Now your main focus or what you want to practically sell, what you want to really sell is your classic package. Now what you are using your special package and your basic package to do is you want to give them a sense of comparison. That is, you will now create that your classic package very much it will be very intriguing, very enticing, very lovely, and very adorable. So you will now promote that one. However, if that is the only thing you are providing to them, if that is the only option you are giving to them initially, they might not feel the vibe towards to patronize you. But when they can now notice that they have a special package which is too much for their budget, and they notice that they have a basic package which is a little bit below their vibe or below their level, they will now always try to consider that middle, which is the classic package. So that is the only that is the psychology behind you always creating amazing offers, irresistible offers, and offers that would always want your customers to keep coming back to you. Just try to think of it, right? When you have the basic offer which just has little thing Like you just put little things into that. Like they will not really want to consider that because it is too small. And the large package, which is the special package, will be too big for them to what also want to consider. Only on special packages, like you get now. But the classic package, which is the one in the middle, will be your main focus. Do you get this now? I did a little bit more explanation in this video right here. Kindly click the link in the description or the ad card right here to watch full extensive explanation about the rules of third in marketing. Yeah. The fourth step, or more like a tip, is don't compromise on quality. Yeah, this is the saying that the only thing that determines your brand identity and personality is your brand quality. So the only thing that speaks about your quality is what you offer. That means to say that if you offer something bad, it will be very, very difficult for you to retain and maintain customers for a longer time. Unlike you having like a top-notch quality that goes with the vibe of your customers and clients for a longer time, it will be easier for you to retain, maintain, and get new people from those existing customers at the long run. The fifth step, I thought I was supposed to put this one first, but however, that is fine. The fifth step the fifth tip or the step in order to guarantee more sales in your cake business in this particular time of the year is you want to try to consider using budget-friendly recipes. Yeah, I understand that at the same time you want to maintain quality, you also don't want to put your own profit at a level of, like, you don't want to also put your profit or your gain or your income at a detrimental level. That is to say, you need to look for recipes that are budget friendly, that would, like, you'll be able to meet up with quality and at the same time will not cost you much. I know there are lots of people, like, there are lots of sayings that quality and quantity and recipe and cheap and all of those things. Yeah, I understand. However, there are still certain recipes that it meets up with quality, it mixes up with taste, they are quality, they are adorable, they are nice and enticing, and at the same time they are pocket friendly. I have these two recipes that I'm ready to give to you for free. They are my all-based vanilla cake recipe, which is very, very lovely and adorable for either fondant or any type of buttercream, be you Swiss meringue, be you Italian buttercream, be you American buttercream, and also very, very good for whipped cream. I'll leave a link down in the description for you to get that particular all-based vanilla cake recipe. And also there is this my signature red velvet recipe that's been causing a lot of saga on my Instagram page, and I know you'll also be interested in getting that particular recipe. Those two recipes are really for free for anybody that is really interested in it. So check the link in the description right now to get the free all-based vanilla cake recipe and the signature red velvet recipe. They are cost effective. I took my time to explore, to experiment, and give tests and trials to those two recipes in order to give you like to put you on a more realistic level of a budget friendly recipe which meets with quality at the same time. Before we dive even deeper, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe now and click the notification bell, because I share videos exploring income, influence, and impact on social media, on internet, and also as an entrepreneur. And also, if you're finding value in this particular video, kindly give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. It helps me go at it, keeps me motivated to keep creating more lovely content like this one. Let's move on. The sixth tip that cannot be overemphasized, I have spoken about this particular tip in thousands of my videos already. It is advertise your business and share a vast information about your product. Yes, you see, advertising, creating awareness, sharing information, and like sharing information about your brand, about your packages, about your offers, about your promo deals, about every single thing that is going on in your business life is very, very important. And one of the most effective way to do that is having lovely, adorable, and enticing flyers that can easily convince people into patronizing you, into considering your brand, into having a soft feel for your packages. Because you see, they say we feed our eyes or we feed our mouth right from what we can see, right? So before people can easily say they want to buy from you, you might have given them a lovely feel of what you tend to offer, right? And the best way for you to do that is by sharing e-flyers, by sharing flyers on the internet, right? And you can, and one of the most effective, or like one of the most effective reason why this is more important is you can easily share to your friends, to your families, to your colleagues, to your neighbors, to your visitors, for them to also repost to your page, to also to repost to their friends, to share on their WhatsApp statuses, to share on their social media pages and all of those stuff. And that is just because it is very, very effective and it works more faster than using your mouth to talk and sending text messages. And the best way to do that is by having a lovely and adorable flyer designed by the graphicsdesigner.ng, which is honorably sponsoring this video. My number one recommendation is graphicsdesigner.ng. This is because they offer top-notch, enticing, adorable, and phenomenal graphics design, logo design, stickers, flyers, banners for your brands, or anything that relates to branding for your business, for your business, for your company, for anything whatsoever on social media. If you look at my page across Instagram, across TikTok, across YouTube, all my graphics designs are being handled by graphicsdesign.ng because their services are top notch and they are also pocket friendly. And amazingly, because they are sponsoring this video, everybody that is watching this video right now, you have an opportunity to dive into the mind code stone of the services because you are having a 20% discount, a 20% discount off your first offer package. That is to say, once you contact the graphic design NG today, for the next 15 days or so, you have a 20% discount off anything you order from them or off any deal you are signing with them, either for your graphics, either for your logo, either for your banner, either for your sticker. And this is just to make it easier for you to reach more audiences, to reach more people, to make more people consider your brand and share the information about your business to wider audiences. Step 7, or the seventh tip, is it 7 or the 6th? I'm not really sure. You can remind me in the comment section which tip this particular one is. Now, this one is just that you create offers and reward people that buy more. Like, since the ultimate aim is for you to reach more people, to sell more to people, and to get more people to notice your brand, to buy from you, and to guarantee more sales for your business at the long run, it's very, very important for you to also maximize that opportunity. And the easiest way for you to maximize that opportunity that I have noticed and that I have really implemented along the long time in my business is you reward people that buy more. Like, once you reward people that buy more, people will be intrigued to buy more from you because they know, okay, we are buying more, you will give us something for free. Maybe you're like, it is just like, this is also in accordance with the law I said earlier about creating irresistible offer. You see, if you have the special package, the classic package, and the basic package, and your main focus is on the classic package, you can put like a way for you to create an irresistible offer. For an example, is don't put any gift on this you can put a gift on the special package, but you now make the price very high. For the classic package, put a gift in it and make it much more enticing to people. And for the basic package, don't put any gift in it. You see, a lot of people will surely come from that classic package because you have made it your point of sale. Unlike you only presenting that classic package to people to patronize you, they will not be convinced enough to buy that particular package from you at the long run. I hope you grab this now. Another important, and I believe that this particular tip is not really given the attention, is create adorable video content that will leave your audiences and viewers salivating before they even patronize you. You see, video content now is very, very important. It is a separate thing for you to get customers into your DM. It is a separate thing for you to sell to them. You see, for you to sell to those people that just come into your DM, you need to convert them into sales. And the easiest way for you to convert them into sales in this particular time, in this particular existence, in this particular generation, is creating lovely, enticing, adorable, phenomenal video content, right? Because video content is the easiest way for you to convert people, to convince them, to make them believe that you are the best, that if they're not patronizing you, they are going wrong, right? I know you'll have noticed that a lot of time on my YouTube, on my Instagram page, on my TikTok page, you just look like, why is this guy always intentional about video content? It is because video content is the key. Either you like it or not, video content is the only way for you to convert your followers, to convert your audience into permanent clients. So don't find it very, very difficult for yourself. If someone creating video content is having more sales on his or her page, is having more sales from his or her business, or for his or her brand, right? So this is just me advising you that in order to guarantee more sales, or to expand the reach or guarantee of you having more cake sales in your business, is creating more adorable content. But now the question is, how can you create adorable video content like the one I have on my YouTube page, on my Instagram page, or on my TikTok page, or across all of my social media platforms, if you don't have quite enough information or quite enough knowledge about video editing? And that is why I have intentionally launched a Edit Like a Pro videography master course, where I explained, like I gave you practical step-by-step explanation on how you can edit your videos, like the real way you edit videos, not those crap videos where you just combine everything, every single thing anyhow. I taught a lot of things in the video. I taught how to use audio, how to record voiceovers, how to add voiceovers into videos, how to combine everything together, how to write text, how to add transitions, how to add a lot of things into that particular course. And I would really advise you to get this course, because this is the particular time for you to maximize and boost up your reach and to guarantee more sales in your cake business, because video content is the key, right? And that is why I really do advise that you join this Edit Like a Pro master course, because I explain everything you need to learn about videography. It's a mini course, and the larger course is also. If you're interested in joining the course, kindly click the link in the description below for you to get into that course. Okay, in this video right here, I explained my mega A to Z strategy on how to promote your cake business to the maximal level, like in full details. It is advisable for you to steal that particular strategy from me by watching the video and implementing it in your business, in your income, and in your brand today. Thank you very much for watching. Follow your joy. You know I love you. Mwah.